The White House Coronavirus Task Force met in public today for the first time in 2 months.
As Natalie Brand reports, 3 states are dealing with surging cases.
We are facing a serious problem in certain areas.
In the first public briefing in nearly 2 months, Vice President Pence and members of the Coronavirus Task Force acknowledged surging cases in a number of states.
As we are reminded, as we see cases rising across the South, that we still have work to do.
If we want to end this outbreak, really end it, and then hopefully when a vaccine comes and puts the nail in the coffin, we've got to realize that we are part of the process.
The vice president says he'll visit some of the hot spots, including Texas, Arizona, and Florida. Still, the Trump administration maintains it's now better prepared to handle the surge.
The reality is we're in a much better place.
Task force officials urge the public, especially young people, to follow safety measures such as wearing masks. But the vice president defended President Trump's decision to move forward with large rallies.
We're creating settings where people can choose to participate in the political process, and we'll continue to do that.
Amid the pandemic, the Trump administration is once again taking aim at the Affordable Care Act, asking the Supreme Court to strike it down. The Trump administration filed an 82-page brief 1 hour before a midnight deadline. The brief argues that the law is unconstitutional after Congress ended one part of the statute. Lawmakers eliminated the tax penalty for those who don't buy health insurance.
If you have a pre-existing condition, you will no longer have the benefit of access to quality care. And the list goes on of the benefits that it would overturn.
Speaker Pelosi is expected to bring up a bill next week designed to strengthen the Affordable Care Act. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.
The Supreme Court is expected to hear arguments on the case during its next term in the fall. A decision, though, would not likely come until 2021.